Alright guys, so let's talk about what you're going to need when installing a double din with steering wheel controls in a 2003 or first generation Avalanche from Chevy. So let me go ahead and flip this camera around so y'all can see what I got. So for this install, we have a rear view camera. We have a 90 to 2012 General Motors double din dash kit. It's a GMK 421 from PAC. We have our double din, which is a Pioneer. And then we have the control module and everything, which, this is how it came. It's a PAC RP5 GM11, and it is for automotives with OnStar. So stay tuned, guys. I am going to do a install video on all of this so y'all can see how it's installed. But I just want to show you all the parts that you will need. So you'll need a dash kit, wiring harness module. I don't know what's in here. It's in an adapter. It was in there, and this is a standard wiring harness if you don't want to keep the factory bose. Since we're keeping the factory bose, we're going to need this module. We're keeping the factory bose, and we're also keeping steering wheel controls. You can use this one if you don't need steering wheel controls, and then you can jump the amp, I believe. It's been a while since I've done a bose system, so I'll have to refresh my memory. This is the DMH 220EX touchscreen Pioneer. So stay tuned. I'll put a link in the description of this video once I get the install video uploaded and edited.